How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video we have a 2022 Acura ILX, and we're going to be resetting the oil light or the maintenance light on this car. You're going to start by turning on the ignition, pressing the start stop button twice. Do not press the pedal, that'll start the car, but you could do it while the car is running as well. Basically we're going to be using these buttons right over here, these three buttons. I'm going to be using the select reset and the up button right over here. So you see the maintenance light is due. You're going to press the top button until you see vehicle settings. You're gonna hit the select button right now. Once again, once you see the screen, top button or up button, maintenance info, once you get there, you hit the select one more time. Gonna hit up arrow and until you see the reset, and hit select one more time. And the reset is complete. So now to back out of that, we're gonna go back down over here to exit and hit the select one more time, and back down again if you wanted to confirm it until you see 100% oil light flight. With that being said, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more videos just like this one.